Hello, brothers and sisters. I want again to welcome all of you to this other new lesson. Remember, in the last lessons, we have discussed about the use of advanced communication skills in sign language. And the first lesson, we pointed out the use of manual codes in a spoken language, whereby we said that in a teaching setup, in a classroom setup, a teacher may come up with some teaching methods that will suit a deaf child in order to acquire a spoken language. In the second lesson, we talked about the baby sign language, of course, as used by hearing children. In the last lesson, we talked about the home sign language, whereby we said that this involves parents who are hearing and have no idea about sign language. Such parents, when they have a deaf child, the deaf child may develop signs naturally, and that means that the use of natural sign language will be the first language for such children. In this lesson, I want us to focus on the primate use of sign language. And there have been, of course, several notable examples of some scientists trying to teach signs to non-human primates in order to communicate with human beings. But remember, generally, this does not constitute a knowledge of human language. So meaning to say that the animals or the primates cannot acquire the human language, but rather will only acquire the signs as taught by the scientists. So this is very important to us in that for those of us who know sign language, we have also to understand that several animals also use gestures and signs to communicate. And it's important to know that in use of sign language, the use of natural signs, gestures, and any other related signs constitutes the total communication, which of course brings about the better way of a sign language interpreter expressing him or herself by use of sign language. So make sure you go through the notes again and again, and also watch the video lessons so that you are able to acquire this knowledge in a better way, so that you can also impart in other people in the community, of course, with the emphasis of bringing about inclusion in the society. See you in the next lesson.